Hello, Scorpios. Welcome to your zodiac reading. This is for the month of January 2022 as you step into the new year's. So, how I do this, I'll first look at the first 15 days of January and then the remaining 15 days of January. First, I'll look at the theme and then I will get to your career and your relationships separately. Alright? So, while watching this, just remember this is general. It may or may not resonate with you, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Alright? So, let's see, Scorpios, how do the first 15 days of January look for you? First 15 days of January for Scorpios. Decision making. You're stuck in some sort of a place where there are multiple roads open and you got to choose a path. And you're not choosing it right now, or probably in those 15 days you're not choosing it. You're still standing there. I will have to see remaining 15 days, please. 1 minute. Okay, I think you will be able to take this decision in the second half of January. But this is an important decision actually taking you forward towards your life. This is an important step that will make you move towards where you are supposed to be. Okay? I get it that it is a little scary right in the beginning. And it has to happen in a certain way for you. So try to understand that a certain language that you had initially, that language is no more applicable for you. Okay? Now, this is the new language that you got to understand and live with. The new language. Okay? This is what you need to do. This is how you're supposed to be. So, I am seeing a sense of knowing about this whole thing that, okay, this is the new thing for me. But this will only come when you understand the signals correctly. The universe is giving you signals to take this decision. Now, I don't know what this decision is about. This could be about your career, this could be about your relationships, but whatever this is, this will mold the way you, probably for the next 5-6 years of your life, this is going to mold the way you're going to live, because it's a big thing. I see from here. Deep knowing is a big, deep card. So this way of doing things is going to influence your life for a very long time now. Okay, that's what I'm seeing over here. All right, so that's the whole theme. Like, I mean, a, quite a big shift, change, and quite a big transformation about to happen for you. Now, let's see how does your career look like in the next, in January. January 2022, your career. But yeah, quite a huge decision which is going to influence your life for a really long time. But let's see your career and then I'll look at your relationships also. How does your career look like in the next January 2022? Five of Wands. Oof. Seven of Swords and Seven of Wands. Career looks like a fight. Okay. Scorpios, I am seeing that you have a tendency of fighting with people. Somehow I'm picking this up for this month. You will have a tendency of unnecessarily getting into quarrels and fights. Please be a little mature in handling these things. Okay, you got to be honest with yourself when it comes to career, matters of the career. If there's something that you don't like, you say it. But yes, you also have to be honest in terms of if you're being lethargic, then why are you being lethargic? So, has its own pros and cons. So, I'm seeing you kind of unnecessarily getting into conflicts in January. How can you avoid that? Okay, again, another thing. How can you avoid that is basically trying to be calm. I think practice a bit of calmness meditations, because there is this unnecessary anger around you. I don't know why, because maybe you have this habit of criticizing things unnecessarily. Okay, so I see that energy reflecting at your workplace, so don't do that. Okay, because this is unnecessary, by the way. I can pick it up from the cards. So let's see, how does your relationships look in January? Your relationships in the month of January, Scorpio. Okay, you're fighting there also. Yes, you're fighting there also. Oh God. Scorpions, what is wrong with you in January? Okay. Firstly, yes, the decision making is something that I saw. But you got to understand that if you decide, then you are responsible for that decision. You can't blame anyone else. Okay? So here I am seeing that you will say something, then again you will be angry about it, happy about it, sad about it, like mixed feelings. So before even deciding, please weigh the pros and cons properly for yourself so that you don't land up in a soup. Okay? I am again seeing you coming in a place of, being rigid, being fighty, even though you know the whole thing, even though you know the whole circumstances, even though you know where all of this is coming from. I see that you got to be a little careful while talking. Maybe you might land up saying things that are not really good for you, Scorpio. Because I'm seeing an impulsive tendency in January again stepping in. You would know why you're doing this, but then again, you would do back and forth. So, here, practice meditations of calmness, please, because I mean, that's the max that I can tell you at this point. Now, let's see what is the advice to you here. Okay. This rune kind of tells me stick to your traditions. And I think, you know, you got to be breaking something in your family line, some way of thinking, some way of understanding certain things. You got to be coming out of that false sense of stability that has been created in you, which is actually not stability. You got to be breaking free from that way of looking at things. And that has an impact on your behavior. So you got to do that so that you're able to come out of certain issues in your life. That's what I'm picking up. So don't, okay, take your own decisions. I see back and forth, but don't get influenced by anyone while taking these decisions, because you're the best person who can take decisions for yourself. Okay? All right, Scorpios. So that's what I have for you. Runes readings are now up on my website. You can have a look at that. And also, guys, private readings in general, tarot readings are open. Let me know in the comments if this reading resonated with you, and I shall see you soon again with more readings. Take care. Bye bye.